just a-pickin some hay. Thought I'd show off my skills, thought I'd have my own way. But there's a barn owl up high with a watchful old eye, and I figured I'd mess with him. Oh my, oh my. Oh, that barn owl's wiser than I, with those big golden eyes and a hoot that could fly. I thought I could outsmart him, I thought I could try, but that barn owl's wiser than I crept round the corner, feeling bold as can be, with a handful of grain, thought I'd set him free. But he just ruffled feathers, gave me a sly look, then swooped down real quick. Oh, I should've just shook. Oh, that barn owl's wiser than I, with those big golden eyes and a hoot that could fly. I thought I could outsmart him, I thought I could try, but that barn owl's wiser than I. Now I'm sitting on bales, nursing my pride, while that clever old bird just hoots what a ride. I'll leave him his space, let him rule the night sky, 'cause that barn owl's wiser, oh, I can't deny. Oh, that barn owl's wiser than I, with those big golden eyes and a hoot that could fly. I thought I could outsmart him, I thought I could try, but that barn owl's wiser than I. So next time I'm in here, I'll just wave and say hi to that wise little owl. Oh, I won't even try, 'cause that barn